What's up, y'all? We're back in the GTR today, and we're taking it to a little Cars and Coffee. It's pretty much a BMW meet, though. I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit, then we'll head out. But it's a normal Sunday. It's gonna rain a little bit later today, so hopefully I am out of there by then. Yeah, let's just see what happens. So many M2s. And an R8. Yeah. Sunset orange is the color code, I think. I think I like this one better. Only pulp. That's a clever plate. This is a 1M. This is a rare. Arcanine. Also, it has an Army Chicks exhaust on it. This green is really nice too. It's a wrap, but on the HREs, that thing is good. These 20-inch BBSs look crazy on this car. They're looking alright.
A few minutes later. Longer than a few minutes later.
I just picked up a set of wheels that I'm super excited for, and I'm gonna put them on my BRZ. But first, I need to clean them because they are dirty. Ready to see what I got? I ain't gonna blue ball you like that. TE37 SLs. Oh my god. This is gonna look so good on the BRZ. Alright, let's get these cleaned. That's one wheel done. Look how clean it looks. I've been using this. It's called Suds Lab Zero Acid Wheel Cleaner. So far, so good. Looks really good. Oh my god. Oh, I can't wait to put these on the car. All right. And I've just been scrubbing it with that brush. Next one. Fuck, I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but there's a nail here. I don't think it's leaking because I tried spraying with some soapy water and nothing kind of happened. I'll keep an eye on it, but all done. These look so good. Oh my, I'm so hyped with these. This is my first ever set of TEs. Let's go pack them up, and yeah, I got coils as well. I got the Tane Flex Z's. I'm hyped. I'm so hyped. These look so good. These look so good. There's a little bit of curb rash on one of them, right over here. Besides, I think it's holding air. I'll have to double check. I think it is because there's no bubbles, so it should be okay. Worst comes to worst, I replace the tires. These are not that expensive compared to like the GTR, right? But these just look so good. All right,